Mother's Day means creating memories. In my family, it was the mothers that passed down the special traditions and recipes down through the generations. You know, we learned to use what we had in our cupboard, taking everyday ingredients and making it special. Right now, I want to show you a special salad we use on Mother's Day and other occasions. It's called Thai chicken salad with a peanut sauce. This is a layered chicken salad, and the first thing I'm going to do is start out with carrots, cucumbers and scallions, red peppers, finished off by shredded chicken, crispy wonton skins, and a light honey vinaigrette. Our Thai chicken salad with peanut sauce. All I'm going to do is drizzle a little peanut sauce, and there we're ready to eat. Now wait a minute. This is not how I celebrate holidays. I like to do holidays with a little bit of a twist. Make it fun.
Yo, Mother's Day is here and you don't know what to do? Here's a little recipe just for you. It's Thai chicken salad, healthy and delish, just the kind of recipe your mother would wish. I'm your Mrs. Holiday 'cause I'm unique. Making happy memories, that's what I seek. Special time with families, bringing them together. Let Mama D show you how to celebrate it better. Have a happy Mother's Day for me and my own. Vote for Leslie Dalkey and let me show you a taste of home. That's good.